Hello, hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about happy. Happy, the emotion that we all know when children are happy. How can you see that they're happy? They're smiling, they're laughing, they're having fun. That's how you know that they're happy. And why is it so important for children to have this emotion, to also experience the emotion happy? Because it's one of the four, of course, so it is important. Why is it so important? Happy means that a certain need has been fulfilled. So they need something and it's there. And for example, they need time together so that you see them, so that you have time and you spend time together. So you go outside and play football together and you're having fun together, or you stay inside and play a board game, or you play with the Lego together, or you do something else or you go out to the zoo, or whatever you do to have fun together, or read a story together, whatever it might be. It can be so many different things, and then you see that the smile on the face of a child, that it relaxes, it enjoys, and so that's the need has been fulfilled. That you see the child and it feels loved. So that's really important. That's what a child needs, of course. Um, what is the function of being happy? Why is it so important? What's the function of it? Well, it helps a child to recharge and to gain energy. Um, when you have the other emotions, they take energy from you. Being angry takes energy. Being sad takes energy. So you need the opposite, and that's the emotion happy. So my question to you is, when was the last time that you really had a lot of fun with your child, or that you were watching to your child that she was playing with friends and you saw him or her being happy? So when was the last time? I hope it was not long time ago, and if it has been, try to see what used to make your child happy and try to do more of it, because your child really needs it. So for today, I like to give you a little homework, a little assignment to do, to watch your child and see, because every child is so different and you know your child the best as a parent. To watch your child and see what makes your child happy and do more of it. So your child can recharge his battery and gain energy. And also look at yourself. What gives you energy? Because you need to gain energy yourself too. So what makes you happy, and do more of that. Imagine you coming home from a day of work and it was hard at work, you had a hard day, and you coming home feeling exhausted after your work, and your children come running to you. And the other day you have had a very nice you had a very nice uplifting day together with your friend or with your husband, or with whatever you went, or alone you went to do something fun for yourself, and you had a great time, laughed, relaxed, enjoyed, and then you're coming home and your children come run towards you, happy to see you. Imagine those two different days, how you react. So one day you're exhausted, one day you're full of energy. So now you know the difference, because you know when you are okay and you're there for your child, and to be happy with you, to see your child again after a day, or when you're feeling like, oh no, not again, not now, oh, I'm feeling exhausted, I've had a hard day at work. And those days are normal, and they are just there, they're part of life. But when you know the difference after a hard day of work or after a relaxed day, then you know that it is important also for you to look after yourself and make sure that you enjoy life and that you also plan nice activities for yourself to gain more energy for yourself so you can be a better mom or dad for your children, and they need that and they deserve that. So look after yourself as well and plan some nice things for yourself so that you will be a better version of yourself. There has been research with children who are more happy than other children, and this research I will tell more about in the next video. And this also shows why it is so important that children have the emotion happy. So more about this research in the next video. For now, I like to remember you that there will be a nice introduction workshop about emotions and boundaries with children the Wednesday, March 15th from 8 till 9:30 p.m. Amsterdam time. More information in description below, and I like to talk to you next time and hope to hear from you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me at info@icaptainofmyship.com. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye bye.